Okay, I hope you enjoyed that YouTube video. I thought it was quite informative, just as a sort of a primer for the idea of test-driven development. Again, it's part of a much larger development methodology called Agile. But not everybody uses Agile. A lot of people still use test-driven development. As part of writing tests, whether you're using test-driven development or just need to test your code, there is a testing framework for Java called JUnit, and it's part of a family of frameworks known as XUnit. And there are similar frameworks available for quite a few other languages. C and C++, there's a C#, .NET. I don't know why they list those separately, but they do. JavaScript framework, Objective-C if you're doing Mac applications. If you're doing web, Ruby and PHP, there's also some Perl and Python languages, Perl and Python support. There are a ton of other languages out there that have this sort of, have a version of what in Java is known as JUnit. What we're going to do now is take a look at a couple of exercises that take advantage of JUnit, of the JUnit testing framework, as NetBeans allows us to do it. You're going to see the code for both of the assignments along with the instruction in the next item in the lesson, and you can go ahead and work that up on your own. And then following that, you'll see a demonstration video where I go over it with you and review the materials, much like we do when we are sitting in class together. So go ahead and move on to the next thing. Follow the instructions for the JUnit exercises, and then once you're ready, you can once you've got them working, you can move on to the demonstration walkthrough videos that follow. When we're finished with that, when you're finished with those exercises, we'll pick up with a discussion of static code analysis.